All right, so here's how to make your high-level survey go from this to this for a way cleaner look, way more professional, and a survey that actually converts better. Now in this video, I'm going to share those tiny tweaks to achieve this look, and I'm going to have it all in Google Docs so you can just copy and paste it. It's going to be easier. Now, most people, spend most of their time on ads and targeting, but your survey is actually where you qualify the lead. So if it looks boring or just hard to fill out, people are just going to bounce. And these tiny tweaks that I'm about to show you are going to, you're going to add some social proof and you're going to just make the survey look more human. Now, the first thing, as you can see, is going to be adding a friendly avatar at the top, which is just a small photo of the person they're talking to. And this is going to, again, make the survey feel more human instead of cold and generic. Now, the way to do this, you're just going to hop onto Canva, just open up a design, 250 by 250, and then you're going to want to add a frame here and just drop whichever photo. You could just search up photos here, smiling face, and put them here. And then you're going to download it as SVG right here. And after you got it, you could just paste it in here. Now, I got to show you this. So when you add it, here's what you're going to want to do. Once you get the photo, the width and the height is going to be 80 by 80. That's it. Save. Now, tweak number 2 is that you're going to want to add a little social proof at the bottom of the survey, because this is going to make people feel more comfortable finishing the survey because they can see that others have done it too. So it says 237 people received an estimate. Now, the way to do this, again, you hop onto Canva, open up a blank design, 400 by 50. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this same design as well, so just copy it. So yeah, very simple. Again, you're going to just put it at the bottom. You're going to drag the photo thing here. You're going to upload it. Just put image width 350, leave the height just blank. Now, tweak number 3 and the last one is, this is the part that's going to really transform the look, which is the CSS code, and it's going to give the survey a cleaner, modern, high converting feel. Now, here's the custom CSS code right here all the way. You just copy this, get over here, advanced, custom CSS, you just paste everything in here. One other thing that I wanted to mention is going to be, you go into advanced survey, blur 10, spread 2. I've already included it right here as well. So survey shadow color, this is the shadow color in case you want the same thing. Spread 2, blur 10. Now, in simple terms, here's what the CSS code does. First, it's going to turn these tiny radial circles into clickable buttons. It's going to make the question bigger and centered. And it's going to add better space and readability. And the other thing that this CSS code does is going to make the final submit button bold and red. So it's going to stand out and eliminate confusion. And this is going to make the whole thing look like a branded experience instead of the generic GHL template. All right, now if you guys want the exact CSS code here, the link will be in the description. I'll have it in a Google Doc. And you just copy and paste. This works on any high-level survey. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.